Ever pondered about the vast world of oil and gas, or perhaps considered investing in it? If so, you might be familiar with ExxonMobil, one of the industry's giants. Now let's dive a bit deeper. ExxonMobil, incorporated in the United States, is not just any corporation. It's a titan in the oil and gas industry, and for good reason. It is one of the world's largest publicly traded oil and gas companies, a position earned through decades of relentless dedication, innovation, and strategic business tactics. But what exactly does ExxonMobil do? Well, it's not just about drilling oil wells or filling up gas stations. The company operates in three main sectors: upstream, downstream, and chemical. In the upstream sector, ExxonMobil is involved in the exploration, development, and production of crude oil and natural gas. It's a process that begins with geologists identifying potential oil and gas reservoirs and ends with the extracted resources being prepared for refining or distribution. The downstream sector, on the other hand, is where ExxonMobil refines and markets petroleum products. This includes everything from the gasoline in your car to the heating oil for your home. And the chemical sector? That's where ExxonMobil produces and sells petrochemicals. These are the raw materials for a vast array of products, from plastics and synthetic rubber to fertilizers and synthetic fibers. So, you see, ExxonMobil's reach extends far beyond what meets the eye. It's not just about fueling our cars or heating our homes. It's about creating the materials that make modern life possible, all while maintaining a commitment to safety, environmental stewardiness, and technological innovation. ExxonMobil, a powerhouse in the energy sector, has a remarkable history of growth and innovation. But how did it all begin? The story of ExxonMobil begins with John D. Rockefeller and the Standard Oil Company. This is a tale that starts in the late 19th century when the American oil industry was just beginning to boom. Rockefeller, a shrewd businessman, saw the potential in oil and founded Standard Oil in 1870. Standard Oil was not just any company. It was a behemoth, a titan that dominated the American oil industry. With Rockefeller's business acumen and relentless drive, it quickly grew into a monopoly, controlling a staggering 90% of all oil refineries and pipelines in the United States. The company's influence was so vast that it set the price of oil, controlled its supply, and effectively held the American economy in its grasp. However, as the saying goes, the bigger they are, the harder they fall. In 1911, the U.S. Supreme Court declared Standard Oil a monopoly and ordered its breakup. The giant was dismantled, and from its pieces, 34 new companies were born. Among these were two entities that would go on to become household names: Exxon and Mobil. Exxon, originally known as Standard Oil of New Jersey, and Mobil, initially Standard Oil of New York, were set on their separate trajectories. Each had its own share of the vast resources and infrastructure that had once belonged to their parent company. They embarked on their respective journeys, carrying the legacy of Standard Oil, yet carving out their own paths in the oil industry. The early years for Exxon and Mobil were marked by expansion and innovation. They ventured into new territories, explored new technologies, and pushed the boundaries of what was possible in the oil industry. Despite being born from the same root, they grew into distinct entities, each with its own identity and achievements. Their journeys were filled with trials and triumphs, challenges and victories. They navigated the tumultuous waters of the oil industry, enduring market crashes and oil spills, yet emerging stronger with each setback. Exxon and Mobil, two offshoots of the same root, were set on their individual paths. Little did they know, their roads would cross again. Their tale is a testament to the enduring power of resilience and innovation, a story that continues to unfold as we delve deeper into the saga of ExxonMobil. Fast forward to 1999, the year Exxon and Mobil rejoined forces in a historic merger. This marked a significant turning point in the history of these two energy giants. Exxon, formerly known as Standard Oil Company of New Jersey, and Mobil, formerly Standard Oil Company of New York, had their roots in the same company, Standard Oil, which was broken up in 1911 due to antitrust laws. Almost a century later, they came together again, creating a new entity known as ExxonMobil. This merger was more than just a reunion of long-separated siblings. It was a strategic move, aimed at creating a stronger, more competitive global energy company. The combined strengths of Exxon and Mobil allowed the new entity to navigate the complex, often volatile world of the energy market with greater agility and resilience. In the early years of the 21st century, ExxonMobil embarked on a journey of growth and expansion. It sought to diversify its portfolio, venturing into new territories and exploring new avenues of business. The company made significant investments in areas such as natural gas, unconventional resources, and high-tech research and development. One of ExxonMobil's key acquisitions during this period was XTO Energy in 2010. This strategic move allowed the company to significantly expand its natural gas portfolio, positioning it as a major player in this fast-growing sector of the energy market. The acquisition of XTO Energy also gave ExxonMobil access to advanced hydraulic fracturing and horizontal drilling technologies, which have since played a key role in the company's exploration and production activities. ExxonMobil also focused on developing innovative technologies to meet the world's growing energy needs in a more sustainable way. The company has made significant strides in areas such as carbon capture and storage, biofuels, and advanced plastics and materials. This proactive approach to growth and innovation has helped ExxonMobil establish a robust presence in the global energy market. The company has weathered many storms, navigated numerous challenges, and come out stronger each time. The Exxon and Mobil merger was not just a strategic business move, but a testament to the company's ability to adapt, innovate, and grow. Over the decades, ExxonMobil has not only survived but thrived, establishing a robust presence in the global energy market. Investing can be a complex game, but understanding the basics can give you an edge. So what should you know about investing in ExxonMobil? Let's start with the fundamentals. ExxonMobil is a leading player in the energy sector, boasting a robust portfolio of oil, natural gas, and petroleum products. The company's stock performance has seen its ups and downs, reflecting the volatility of the energy market. However, it has also demonstrated resilience, bouncing back from market downturns and maintaining a steady stream of dividends for its investors. Speaking of dividends, ExxonMobil has a long-standing reputation as a reliable dividend payer. For over 3 decades, the company has consistently paid and often increased its dividends, making it a go-to option for income-focused investors. This regular payout is a testament to ExxonMobil's financial health and its commitment to shareholder value. But investing isn't without its risks. The energy sector is heavily influenced by geopolitical events, environmental regulations, and technology advancements. These factors can lead to price swings and impact ExxonMobil's profitability. Furthermore, the global shift towards renewable energy poses a challenge to traditional oil and gas companies. However, ExxonMobil isn't sitting idle amidst these changes. The company is investing heavily in research and development, exploring new technologies for carbon capture and other sustainable energy solutions. This proactive approach could potentially mitigate some of the risks associated with the energy transition. As an investor, it's crucial to understand these dynamics. Investing in ExxonMobil isn't just about buying a piece of a well-established company, it's about buying into its vision for the future. It's about recognizing the potential rewards that come with the risks, and believing in the company's ability to adapt and thrive in a changing energy landscape. So, when you think about investing in ExxonMobil, think beyond the immediate. Look at the long-term performance, consider the dividends, and evaluate the company's financial health. But most importantly, understand the challenges it faces and the steps it's taking to overcome them. Investing in ExxonMobil comes with its own set of dynamics. It's not just about the numbers, but also about understanding the company's future plans. The future of ExxonMobil is intertwined with the future of energy. So what does this mean for potential investors? As we delve into ExxonMobil's future, we see a company that is acutely aware of the shifting energy landscape. ExxonMobil is not just sitting on the sidelines of this energy transition. No, they are deeply embedded in the process, making significant strides in research and development to become a leader in the sustainable energy sector. ExxonMobil's future plans are comprehensive and multifaceted. They are investing heavily in carbon capture and storage technologies, aiming to capture 25 million metric tons of CO2 annually by 2030. That's equivalent to the emissions from 5 million cars. They're also exploring advanced biofuels using algae and other biological materials to create renewable energy. But of course, like any journey, the road to a sustainable energy future is not without its challenges. The shift from traditional fossil fuels to renewable energy sources is a complex and costly process. It requires significant technological innovation, regulatory support, and societal acceptance. ExxonMobil is also dealing with the financial implications of this transition. While the company has a strong financial foundation, transitioning to a low-carbon business model will require substantial capital investment. However, ExxonMobil is committed to maintaining its financial strength and delivering value to its shareholders throughout this transition. The company's commitment to sustainability is not just about protecting the environment, it's also about creating long-term value for investors. ExxonMobil believes that its investments in sustainable energy technologies will provide new revenue streams and growth opportunities in the coming years. So, for potential investors, ExxonMobil's future looks promising. It's a future that is closely tied to the global energy transition, offering opportunities for growth and innovation. It's a future that is built on a commitment to sustainability and financial strength. Investing in ExxonMobil is not just an investment in a company, but an investment in the future of energy. The question is, are you ready to take the plunge?